How to log in to WeChat account. So if you want to log into your WeChat account, then first of all, make sure to install that application, and after installing, open that application. And now to log into your account, on the bottom left corner you will have a login option. Tap on that, and here you have to choose your country, and after choosing the country you have to enter your phone number, and then you can tap on accept and continue. And after entering your mobile number you have to enter your password. After entering your password you have to tap on login, and then you will get a verification code to your mobile number that you have just entered. And then after entering the verification code you will be logged into your WeChat account. So that's it guys, that's how you log into your WeChat account, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.